Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. It's more Christmas crafting time. For those of you who watch my thrift hauls, you saw me pick up this lantern. The door had broken off, so Badwill only charged me $3.99 for it. We are going to make a little Christmassy vignette inside here. Now, I don't want the candle cup, so I was wrenching on it a little bit, and I think it will come out. You can see on the bottom, it's just got this little piece holding it in place, like a little broken off nail, and I think I'm going to try and wedge this out of here. I've been crafting up a storm trying to get ahead. A lot of fun projects. I have been like dying to get some projects in. Can I wedge that off there? Let me see if I can get this out of here. This is a galvanized tin lantern. You can do this with any lantern that is broken. You could do it with a lantern that still has door on it. But because this was broken and it was a good price, I thought, oh, it's a perfect opportunity, right? Oh, I'm going to end up breaking the bottom off this. Yep, I'm going to end up breaking the bottom off this. I don't want to do that. I could drill it out, but it's going to make a mess. And then I'm going to have metal slivers everywhere. Not that I haven't done that before. Be gone, you know. Candle cup. Let me see if I can figure out how to get the candle cup out of here without wrecking the whole thing. Hang on. Well, I got it out, but now this moves. So we're going to have to deal with that. It's okay. I think a little hot glue, actually. I'm just going to hot glue it on the bottom here. So it keeps that from shifting around on us while we do this. I have to let it cool. But anyway, I got that out. And now I have to figure out what I'm going to put in there, right? So I think I want to find some lights. I had lights. I think I definitely want to light this one up. You could. Now, in saying that, you could wire this. I've got a hole through the bottom now. I could wire this for electricity and actually light it up. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to electrify this because that's just, I don't need to do that. I want to make a vignette. You know, I like making my vignettes. And I think because I bought these and I didn't use them in the snow globe project that we did a couple days ago. If you haven't seen that, you should. You should go back and look at it. It's really cute. It was an adorable project. I think I want to make a little vignette with this. Let's see if he fits in there. Oh, yeah, I've been in there. Sure he does. He, she, I don't know. I have to get a little prop under there. Let's make a little camping scene here. I have lots of little trees to put around it, as you can see right here. So I got this bag off of Amazon last year for crafting. I'm going to use green trees because he's camping. He or she is camping, and they're going to need, you know, to look like trees around the little camper. The fun part about creating these little Christmas vignettes is it gives you an opportunity to use up broken inventory. So as a reseller, I have a lot of pieces like this. So this one I bought broken with the door broken off, but I've had other lanterns where the glass door is broken and you're like, the glass is broken out of it or the side of it. That's the perfect opportunity for a vignette, for a little Christmas vignette. Set those aside. So like all year long, if you're reselling and you've got a lantern that the glass breaks out of it, or even like you could even do this. You know what you can do? You don't have a lantern. You know the old hurricane lamps, candles? So they had the base on them and then like a globe around the top of it. You could make a vignette in that. You can make a vignette in anything. And a lot of times, things that are not selling for me sell when you put a vignette in them or on them. So little tin cups we made last year with Santa's dancing off the top. Those had been in my inventory forever and weren't selling. And then I added a Christmas vignette to the top, and then it's sold. It's fun. They're fun projects. They're fun projects to do. You can do this with kids. You can do this by yourself. You can do this while you're watching It's a Wonderful Life. You can do this like I am in the workshop. You know, put your music on and just sit and craft. But, you know, while you're doing something else, like you got your shows that you watch religiously on Thursday or Wednesday or Tuesday, whatever day it is, keep your hands busy. You know, just sit down and create a little vignette, little something, something. And yeah, you know what? Because this is such a little festive truck, I feel like these trees need to be a little more festive. So I'm going to see if I can't locate something to decorate the trees with. And we're going to do that. I found this little tree. This is from Dollar Tree's Miniatures. And it's already decorated, which you can kind of see. But it's very dull. Look at the dull. Who puts dull colors on a Christmas thing? So I've got my little gold paint here. And I'm going to repaint that star. And I'm going to repaint those Christmas bulbs on there because, hello, we need a little sparkle in our lives here. Like, that just doesn't make sense to me. To make dull red. Ugh. I'm painting all of the little ornaments now with the gold. Make them pop just a little bit. Just a lot of bit. And then, because there's snow on here, is actually really dull too. Yeah, Dollar Tree, come on. Dull red. Ugh. Dull green. Dull snow. Just dull. It's just dull. Needs a little pop. Closed up my gold here. Feel like it needs some shimmer. So I've got some glitter. I want some gold maybe. Gold glitter. No, that might, no. Let me make some improvements here. I'm going to take this gold and I'm going to cover a few of the other trees here too. Because why not? Because why not? All right, let's get some glue. Decoupage glue and glitter here. I have some of the copper microfine that I had mixed up way too much of for another project. So I've got decoupage glue and microfine glitter all mixed together. And we are going to just pop it on these trees. So I'm going to do that. I'll be back. All right, this is a bit of a weird angle, but I put the snow into the bottom of this. And now we need to work from the back to the front, because if we start in the front, you obviously can't get your hands back there. So I'm going to take the taller trees and cut the bases off them. Oh, this is all awkward trying to like show you guys at the same time I'm trying to cut all this stuff. So I'm going to put a big dollop of hot glue on the bottom of the biggest tree here. And I'm going to put that right in the back of our scene. Here's our little tree back there. He's fallen over already. All right, I need a little bit of glue on the cloth. Didn't get the cloth glued down. Okay, there's one of our trees. Got another tall tree here. Cut this off. Ooh! Put that on the other side. Does it look terrible? Yeah. All right. Let's get our foreground in there, which is our camper. And camper needs something to sit on. I'm going to take one of the discs off these trees. Take one of the mini trees here. Take the wooden disc off of it because that seems to be the right thickness. That went everywhere. Okay. I am going to glue that to this little part of the camper here. So that our camper sits flat. All right, camper sits flat, just like that, because otherwise it was tipping back and forth. So now we're gonna glue here, glue on the tire. Our camper inside. Oh, you look cute. Good. Now let's fill in around it here. Okay, I can already see that this needs glue. A little fabric piece here. So I have improved on the little Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. I am going to glue that next to the camper. So they went camping, put the Christmas tree out. Take this one, put it on the other side. Building a visual story when you create these little vignettes. So in my story, someone in their Airstream decided to go camping this holiday season. They've put their tree up. Get this out there. I would love a little dog, but I don't think I have a little dog. I don't think. Let's see if I find something here. Hang on. I found this little miniature Welcome to North Pole sign that I also got at Dollar Tree last year. We're going to add that to the front part of the camper. I'm going to set that right in here. Okay, so it's hard to film that. I need to get it set up correctly. That looks super cute like that. I'm going to try and get some lights here to light this up. I think I have some miniature lights. Let me see if I can find them. I did not find any fairy lights. I know I have them. I don't know where they are. I even went out to the garage and then I was like, it's cold out here and I don't want to be in the cold anymore. So I have a whole, but they might be in the van. They might be in the van. I have a whole bin. It's a small bin that I keep fairy lights in and stuff for shows. And I'm like, I have them somewhere. But anyway, this is my vignette. This is my Christmas lantern. I think it's just super cute. But this is a fun project to do if you have, like I said, broken inventory. If you have inventory that hasn't sold, just make anything Christmassy. It's like magic. And my friend Naomi makes these wonderful little creatures that are rusted and coppery, and they're just adorable. And she said she didn't have any Christmas stuff. I said, throw a Christmas hat on a squirrel. I mean, now it's a squirrel Christmas, and I've got a duck that's got a cape on it, and it's all Christmas. It's my Christmas duck. But this is, all you have to do is add a little something to it, and now it went from a broken piece that somebody got rid of at Goodwill to a super cute little Christmas decor for your home. It'll be cuter when I find the lights. But it's cute anyway. I think if you got somebody who likes, whatever they're into. So you could make this for your own home. You could make it for somebody else's home. And it could have a theme. Like this has got the camping theme to it. Just think when you're making these, like, what is the story that you're trying to tell? And that's mixed media of any kind, or creating little art pieces, is you're telling a story. You're visually telling a story. And this is somebody went camping for Christmas and they've got their camper decked out and their tree decked out and they're all ready in the forest, and it's super cute. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.